Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to learn about hard question, that is, high order thinking questions. So, question number one: the molecular formula of an alcohol is C4H10O. This is clue one. Then, the locant number of its alcohol group is 2. So, given us C4H10O, then the locant number of OH group is 2. So based on that we have to find answer for the three questions. Let us answer for the first three questions based on this clue. When C4H10O is given, C4 means it refers to bute. Then alcohol is already added here, so probably he may be calling about butanol. So how? Let me write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bute. 4 carbon is there. In the alcohol will be in the second locant group. So let me write here or here. Both are same. No problem. I am writing here. Now we have to bring this one C4H10O. How? See, always we start from methyl. 3, 5, 7, 9. So 4 carbon, 3, 5, 7, 9 plus 1, 10 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is here. So this is the actual structure of the given question. This is the answer for question number A. Then question B, what is this IUPAC name? It's very simple, meth 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon means meth, eth, prop and bute. So bute. Bond is single, so alkane group. Then alcohol is there, so we can write OL, but the local number comes from here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So alcohol is in second group, that is second carbon, so we can use the number as 2. What will the answer? 2 butanol is the answer for B. Third one, is it saturated or unsaturated? When bond is single, definitely it is a saturated hydrocarbon. When it is double and triple bond, it is unsaturated, but the bond is single, so it is unsaturated hydrocarbon because bond is single. So this is the answer for 3 questions. I go for second question. An organic compound A is widely used as a preservative. So preservative is a clue here and has a molecular formula C2H4O2. When this compound reacts with ethanol, so this is third clue, it forms a compound B. So what is the question? We have to find compound A, then chemical reaction and its equation to found the compound B, then naming the process. So let us go for a preservative. Preservative means we are using ethanoic acid as a preservative in pickles. So it is the first clue. Second one, its molecular formula should be this one, C2. So C2, H4 is okay and O2. So our guess is correct. So this is compound A. What will happen when it reacts with ethanol to form a compound B? Then name the process is the third question. Let me answer for the first question. So compound A with molecular formula C2H4O2 is nothing but CH3COOH. What is its name? Its name is ethanoic acid. What will happen when ethanoic acid combines with ethanol? We have to find it. CH3COOH is the compound A. When it reacts with ethanol is the question. So what is the formula for ethanol? C2H5OH. So what will be the solution or what will be the equation? This will combine here to form a fruity smell compound. Then this hydrogen will combine with OH, so it will give H2O, remaining CH3 COOC2H5 will be there. So this compound is named as ethyl ethonate, or we can call it as ester. So this compound has two names. So what is the answer for 3? What is the name of the process? As it forms a fruity smell compound. Fruity smell compound. Its name is ester. So the process name is esterification. So hope this is the answer for the second question. Let's go for final one more long answer question. So arrive at systematically the IUPAC name of the compound CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So how to give the IUPAC name here? First step 1, the number of carbon in parent chain is 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons are situated. So meth, eth and prop. Prop is the prefix here. Step 2, bond is single, so it comes with alkane family, not alkene or alkyne. Third one is functional group. Step 3 is functional group. It is OH, that is nothing but alcohol. So propane plus alcohol gives propanol. Moreover, we have to give importance for one more thing, that is step 4. The alcohol group will be attached with the easiest local number, that is we should start from here, not from 1, 2, 3 here, because if you start from left to right, the alcohol OH group will get the number as 3. It is a wrong method. The functional group should be given much more important, so it will be connected with the first carbon. So alcohol is present in first carbon, so we can add 1 all. So what is the final name for here? Answer is prop plus ane plus 1 all. So on removing E, we will get propane 1 all. This is the answer for the question. Hope you understand and this video will be useful to you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.